Let's try some useful tips around the house together. Pour 3 capfuls of fabric softener into a container and dilute this with the same amount of water. Cut a cleaning cloth into squares and place them in the mixture. Keep these cloths close to hand near the washing machine to always get pleasantly scented laundry. Problems with lime scale on your iron? Mix baking soda and water until you get a paste-like consistency. Rub it thoroughly over the affected areas and wipe off with a dry cloth. The steam will come out without any problems. Has rust formed on your knives? Sprinkle on some baking soda and rub a lemon over the blade. The results will be immediate. As good as new. Mix dishwashing liquid and soda water in a spray bottle. This mixture is perfect for cleaning the surfaces of fabrics without damaging them. Put eucalyptus oil and baking soda into your washing machine to get a great whitening effect. Don't throw out old coffee grounds. Use them as bases for candles. The flame will heat up the grounds, which will give off a 100% natural perfume. Fill a small spray bottle with water and add a teaspoon of ethyl alcohol and a few drops of an essential oil. You will now have a very easy DIY perfume, suitable for both the environment and fabrics. A broom alone is not sufficient to clean a doormat properly. Sprinkle it with rock salt, then dilute some white vinegar and water and scrub it well with a broom. Let it air dry. Mix together 1 cup of grain alcohol and 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid. This mixture is very effective, even on the most stubborn stains. Pots and stovetops will shine again in an instant. Wow, a stunning result! Remember to periodically clean the air conditioner filters. Firstly, rinse them off well to remove dust and superficial dirt. Then put on a few drops of an essential oil and enjoy the fragrance with each use. Do you have an unscented candle? Put a few drops of your favorite essential oil onto it before lighting it to instantly create a relaxing atmosphere.